Welcome to my honest review of Yoga for Beginners. If you're new to yoga and looking for a beginner-friendly program, this might have caught your eye, but is it worth it? Let's break it down. Yoga for Beginners is designed specifically for those who are starting out with simple, easy-to-follow instructions and beginner-level poses. It focuses on the basics of yoga, with slower-paced sessions that are meant to help you build flexibility, balance, and strength gradually. One of its main strengths is that the classes cater to people with no prior experience, so you won't feel overwhelmed or out of place. It also includes breathing techniques and meditation to support overall mindfulness, which is a key element of yoga practice. In terms of structure, the sessions are short and manageable, usually ranging from 10 to 30 minutes, which makes it easy to fit into your daily routine. There's a good variety of classes as well, from gentle stretches to more active flows, which ensures that as you progress, you won't get bored. Plus, the instructions are clear, and the instructors generally offer modifications for different levels of flexibility, making the program adaptable to everyone. However, it's not without its downsides. If you're someone who's looking for more advanced guidance or faster progression, you might find the pace a bit slow. Also, some users have mentioned that the repetition in certain sessions can feel a bit monotonous. It's very much aimed at those who are complete beginners, so if you've already been practicing yoga casually, you might outgrow this program quickly. Overall, if you're just starting your yoga journey and want a low-pressure, approachable introduction to the practice, Yoga for Beginners does a solid job. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and focuses on creating a strong foundation. But if you're looking for a more intense or dynamic program, you might need something more advanced down the line.